Hello, this is Nigel at Spiritual Awareness New Zealand with the weather modification and geoengineering update. And there have been quite a lot of shakes off the coast of Wanganui today. And this article here, which is showing up, Wanganui shaken, blah blah blah. A series of quakes recorded in the region. The most recent was 8 a.m. Sunday and weighed in at a magnitude of 3.1 and 31k deep, was centered 25k off Wanganui. Now let's have a look. I'll see if I can find that on GeoNet here. Let's have a look. 8 a.m. So it must be this one, I guess, that they're talking about. Well, doesn't exactly match it, 19 k's. Let's have a look at this again. What does it say? 31 k's at 8 a.m. 3.1 doesn't show up. Anyway, so it's changed, but it does say it's 35k southwest. Now, here's the thing, is if we look at the weather, or this is a visual satellite images for the area, New Zealand visible satellite imagery, okay, and we look and we see these like this, see that angle there, right, goes right in past that cloud and then down there, like a triangle type shape we've got there, which is classic for this HARP EMF technology, and that's at 10. Let's go back here to 8. You just go around, come on, there we go. Okay, and again we see these little lines here. There's that, there's these angles. There's this one here. But there's definitely quite a lot of angular stuff going on there. All these little bits, and that seems to be going on quite a bit during the day as well. And even out here, there's quite a bit of this going on. Now, the interesting thing is that, like, have a look at this, this angle here, and, quite often Met Service will blame it on some mountains or something like that. They'll say, oh yeah, but there's mountains there. Well, there's nothing there, and there's no reason for that clear definition of lines to happen. And this is taken from space, and we see, here's another one there, bam, see that? Same kind of angle, and even in the same direction, or, like it's on a northerly type flow there. And we've got this long rectangular thing here as well. No, it's not moving. Okay. See, and look at that rectangular thing there now. It's at 2 o'clock. Okay, so I would say that those quakes that were there were geoengineering. So anyway, that's about all for today. This is Nigel at Weather Modification Spiritual Awareness at Spiritual Awareness New Zealand, checking out.